Welcome to no-nonsense booking.com tips. In this video, I will show you how you can contact booking.com customer service when you're using it as a traveler. Once you're logged into booking.com from your computer, just scroll towards the bottom and in the footer of the website, you will see this option customer service help. Just click on that, and on the next screen just click on get help with the booking. Even if you don't have a booking, just click on that, doesn't matter. And on this screen, if you know the category, just click on that. Doesn't really matter which one you go to, it is always going to take you to the same place. Let me just click on stays, and here it will ask you to enter a confirmation number or a PIN code. If you have an existing reservation, just enter those details. But if you don't have those details, just scroll towards the bottom, and here under message customer service, you will find this more contact options. Just click on this more contact options, and then you will see this call customer service. Just click on that, and that will display your local customer service for booking.com, which you can call and speak to them. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you need help with something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.